Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and let me just go through all of those stuff. And now we are in the standard photo mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar and tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down and find the relevant option, which is called timer. So just tap on it. It should be in this general list. And in this device, we've got 4 different options. So off, 2 seconds, 5 and 10 seconds delay. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you have to trust me. So we've got 4 different options. And all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds. Now we can go back to the to our camera and simply tap on the shutter button. And from now on, our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option we've chosen. And after that time, our device will simply take a photo. So this is how it works. If you'd like to turn off the timer, just repeat the steps. So go to the settings, then go to the timer and mark off. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.